What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of ViperToad's Garage. So today we're going to be mounting the 21-inch VTForged GT-R wheels on my 2022 Tesla Model S Plaid, and I couldn't be more excited. Let's hop right into it. All right, guys, so I went ahead and took one of the wheels out of the box. So this is a 21x10 VTForged GT-R model. Matte black face, gloss black lips. It's got the VTForged engraved center cap, as you can see, VTForged, and it's got black hardware. This is a front wheel that's going on the Model S Plaid. The rears are going to be 21x11 and have a little bit more concave, so they're going to look even more aggressive. Helping out with the install today, I have Lug Wrench Heroes. If you don't follow them already, go and do so. They're at Lug Wrench Heroes on Instagram. Love this company. Nate, the owner, is super cool. He comes out right to my house and he installs the tires and wheels mobile. Balancing, all of that is done inside the van, done with the best equipment, so he makes sure not to scratch your wheels or damage them in any way, shape, or form. Car's already on jack stands. We're going to be doing the passenger side first. Cannot wait to see this thing done. I'm so excited. I've been waiting so long for this. Yeah, just super excited for this day. So for this setup, I went ahead and went with the Michelin factory spec 265/35/21 on the front, 295/30/21 in the rear. These are the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, and specifically these are the Tesla acoustic specs. So they have a, as you can see, they have a foam inside of the tire, and it helps, from my understanding, it just helps with road noise, makes it even quieter inside. Something specifically done for the Tesla Model S long range and Plaid. So when you order the Tesla Model S with the 21-inch wheel options, you get these tires as factory. Another really cool thing about the Tesla spec Pilot Sport 4S is the Michelin and the checkered flag. It's like, I don't know if you guys can tell, it's like a, it's got like a velvety feel to it. It's not rubber. It has like a velvety sheen and velvety feel to it. It's super nice. I think they call it like the Michelin Touch or something like that. It's got a name to it, but I love the look of that. It looks super sick on the tires. Alright guys, so we're starting on the rear wheel. So this is going to be the passenger rear with that 295/30/21 Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. As you can see, the rear wheels have a ton more concave. These things look super sick.
Muscle it a little bit. Butter. There we go. In case you guys have never seen how a tire gets mounted the right way. You made me nervous. Sorry, Nate. There. You got the footwork too. You gotta be paying attention to everything. Right. A lot of things that can get messed up when mounting. Look at that. Woo. Butter. That tire looks hot. Alright guys, we got one of the rear 21s all mounted up. Is it already balanced or no? We're gonna find out right now. Alright. That looks so sick with the matte black and the gloss black. All you see is the lip, but then you can see the matte side. Man, it looks crazy spinning. Dude, it looks awesome. Alright guys, so I'm not going to show you what it looks like lowered. This will be the last video before the reveal. But the passenger side's getting mounted up now, and it looks just bananas. I'm so excited to see it slam. All right, guys, so I let the sun go down a little bit just so you guys can get the best possible video of how this looks. So without further ado, I wanted to present to you
the first ever set of VTForged GT-R wheels mounted up on my 2022 Tesla Model S Plaid. These are the VTForged GT-R 21 by 10, 21 by 11. Here we go. Got the Michelin 265 35 21 up front, and then it's got the 295 30 21 in the rear. Something I really love about these wheels, so the matte black on the VTForged is more like a satin black. As you can see, it's got a little bit of a sheen to it, so it's not just a pure matte black color that, you know, doesn't reflect light at all. It's got a really elegant and luxurious touch to it. The way the gloss black, matte black hits on these wheels just looks absolutely insane. With the big white calipers behind there, it just looks phenomenal. Really excited to take it for a drive. I haven't even driven it yet. It's been parked in the driveway since they did the wheels. But tomorrow I'll take it to work. I'll post back up on Instagram or somewhere just how I like it, the feedback on driving around with 21s. I'm sure it's going to affect my range a little bit because I think they are a little bit heavier than my variant 20s. But overall, I'm not too worried about it. These things get crazy range as is, and you know, my drive every day just revolves, you know, going to work and back and taking the kids to soccer practice. So yeah, not too worried about the range, more so how it looks aesthetically and how it feels driving it. So excited to feel it out tomorrow and go from there. All right, guys, there you have it, the reveal of the VTForged GT-R wheels that are finally on my car. It's been a long time coming. I wanted 21s on this thing since the day I bought it. I got the variant wheels just to kind of be a temporary option for me while these were getting built. So I'm so happy they're on. Can't wait to feel what they drive like tomorrow. Stay tuned for the next episode. See you later, guys. Bye.